Translating articles. This allows you to provide Spanish translations for English content. These translations are done manually and are not done automatically by a translator. This allows for accurate translations which are less likely to confuse readers. First, access the backend. After logging into the administration panel, the main menu with click icons and the control panel will be available. Find FA-Lang from the control panel. First, browse over the Components dropdown and select FA-Lang. Click the icon titled Translation. To begin browsing for content, a few adjustments must be made. On the right-hand side of the page, ensure that Espanol ES is selected from the Languages dropdown and that Contents is selected from the Content Elements dropdown. A list of all available content that can be translated will be seen. You can manually browse the list and select the article that you'd wish to change. However, for this example, we will be searching for an article using the keyword test. We will now provide a translation for the article called Test Translation Article. As I am not a fluent speaker of Spanish, I will merely be changing the text to something else. This will be my translation. For your articles, provide a translation for the English. So for the title, provide the proper Spanish translation for Test Translation Article. My translation will be Translated Spanish Article. Leave the alias field blank as this will be populated automatically. At the bottom, near field article text, utilize the editor to complete the translation of the main content. The editor is similar to word processors. If you need help, mouse over icons for the name of the functions. You may manually enter the translated content into this area. However, to preserve the original formatting, hit the copy button. This will copy the entire original article. This will ensure that the original formatting is applied to your new translated text. So instead of starting from scratch, merely delete the English text and enter your translation. Once you have completed, hit save. This will save your translation. However, it will not be public. To ensure that the translated article is viewable when the user selects Spanish as the primary language for the website, ensure that you have selected the checkbox next to Published. This will ensure that the Spanish translation is published. Once that is done, hit Save again. If successful, a message saying translation saved will be displayed. This is the end of this tutorial.